Next technique, ignore the error. This is often the case of background running processes that are not relevant or that can be easily retried later with no side effects to the final user. So we basically have a program that is dealing with some pieces of data, and when one of these pieces of data is wrong and produces an error, we can safely ignore the error, just skipping that piece of data and continue working. This is what streaming applications do. And this is because correcting the error might actually incur some extra delays to the whole streaming, and that is, of course, killing user experience. Another example is having some device that is taking inputs from the environment and sending those inputs to some server or system that is processing those. If one of the measures is wrong, we can just skip that one and use the previous valid measurement or just wait for the next one. The final technique, shut down. Shutting down means basically turning off everything, stopping all the processes, stopping the whole program from continuing because the error is critical. This applies to specific scenarios in which we can neither correct the error nor ignore the error. And this is often the case of programs that control health-related hardware. So, for example, an X-ray machine or an X-ray device that is controlled by an application, by a program, and experiences an error. The most reasonable decision that the program can make is just turn it off and let the user start it over. We don't want to correct the error in that case. Neither we want to ignore the error, because any of those decisions will incur in an assumption that we are making about the current state of the program, the machine, and the patient. And we don't want to risk the patient's life.